Welcome. Today, we're exploring Homeaglow, an innovative online platform that connects homeowners with experienced pre-screened cleaners. Homeaglow's user-friendly interface makes booking a cleaner as simple as a few clicks. With its robust operations in multiple cities across North America, Homeaglow aims to revolutionize home cleaning services by offering convenience, reliability, and top-notch quality. Homeaglow boasts a wide array of features. Users can schedule cleanings, communicate with cleaners, and make secure payments, all within the platform. Additionally, Homeaglow offers a unique recurring cleaning feature, which allows users to schedule regular cleanings at a discounted rate. Their instant price feature offers transparency by providing upfront and accurate cleaning costs. Homeaglow's pricing model is straightforward. Users are charged per hour, with rates varying based on the size and condition of the home. They also offer discounted prices for recurring cleanings. However, it's important to note that the platform charges a small transaction fee on top of the cleaning cost. This fee helps cover the cost of running the platform and providing support services. Homeaglow is ideal for busy individuals who need a reliable, hassle-free cleaning service. It's also perfect for those who prefer scheduling regular cleanings to maintain a clean and healthy living environment. Property managers and Airbnb hosts may find Homeaglow particularly useful for maintaining the cleanliness of their properties between guest stays. Homeaglow's advantages are clear. The platform offers convenience by streamlining the process of finding and booking cleaners. Their pre-screened cleaners assure quality, and the transparent pricing model eliminates any hidden costs. The recurring cleaning feature allows for easy scheduling of regular cleanings, and the secure payment system adds an extra layer of security. Despite its advantages, Homeaglow has some limitations. The platform's availability is limited to certain cities, excluding potential users in other regions. Additionally, users may find the transaction fee slightly off-putting. Lastly, while Homeaglow conducts background checks, some users might still feel uncomfortable letting strangers into their homes. In conclusion, Homeaglow is an innovative solution that offers convenience and quality. Despite some limitations, its benefits like streamlined booking, transparent pricing, and pre-screened cleaners make it a compelling choice for many. However, like any service, it's important to consider your individual needs and circumstances before deciding. Here are the key takeaways. Homeaglow offers a convenient, reliable, and quality home cleaning service. Its features like transparent pricing, secure payments, and recurring cleaning schedules enhance user experience. However, limitations like limited availability and an additional transaction fee are worth considering. Ultimately, Homeaglow's value depends on your specific needs and location. Thank you for joining us in this analysis of Homeaglow. We hope this information helps you make an informed choice about your home cleaning needs. Remember, it's essential to consider your personal needs and circumstances when choosing a service. Until next time, stay informed and make smart choices. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful analyses and reviews. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you, and see you in the next video.